J.D. Power recently ranked Window World #1 in price, and there's a reason for that. You see, at Window World, you can get 3 or even 4 large premium windows installed for the price of just 1 from other companies. Well, that's simply getting the best for definitely less.
Window World came in under everyone else, and there was no upcharge on the features that the other companies were charging.
The price that I was quoted is the price I paid, and that's nice.
Plus, Window World's Solar Zone Sunshield glass windows have the industry's best SHGC rating of 0.14. That's basically window nerd talk for keeps the heat outside where it belongs.
Whenever the sun shone in through the windows, it would just heat up the room instantly.
My biggest thing that I was looking at is a window that can sustain the Arizona heat.
And if you live on a golf course, Window World's true lifetime warranty is just for you. So even if some tourist slices one at your house, Window World's got you covered.
So most of the companies that I looked at only gave about 1 year warranty, and it was a limited warranty. And Window World gives you a lifetime warranty on their product, and that was very reassuring for me.
Customer referrals have made Window World the choice for replacement windows and doors, and our customers have a lot to say.
So my mother-in-law is the one, I went to her house, she had all her windows replaced. They were beautifully done, and I asked what company she used, and she said Window World.
Hey, if you're looking at putting in windows, Window World is who I chose. They've got a great product.
And here's an upfront price that's the best in the valley.
Get 6 large premium sliding windows, all with Solar Zone Sunshield glass, installed, tax included, for one complete low price of only $34.25. Plus, save an extra $100 off new sliding patio doors too. No gimmicks, no hassles. Call today at 602-753-0454.
Window World, simply the best.
For definitely less.